So I bought all this wood for my shelves, but with this pile there's a lot of good stuff. Even though it looks bad because it's kind of their discounted lumber, but a lot of it is actually very good. second load of lumber from Meeks. This one's not that much, but last one I did, it was kind of too close. I really didn't want to overload my trailer because the wheels were kind of looking bad. So, but yeah, a lot of LVLs on this one. I might chop him, or I might save him, because I'm gonna build something very soon. So I bought all this wood for my shelves, but with this pile there's a lot of good stuff. Even though it looks bad because it's kind of their discounted lumber, but a lot of it is actually very good. So what I'm gonna do, chop up everything I need, and then, sorry I'm out of breath, I was loading and strapping stuff because they close at 4 and it's already 4:01, so I gotta get out of here. But I got something very exciting coming up. Yeah, I really don't want to share it just in case something goes wrong. I don't want to get all you guys excited then. So if you watch these videos to the end, you kind of know a little more, because I'm noticing not everybody watches stuff to the end, and they're like the giveaway I did, the guy still hasn't contacted me. So not my fault. Who knows, maybe he will watch it one day. Cause I'm okay giving out money, but you gotta do something to get it. So, but with that being said, let's get to the shop. Let's go over this lumber. Now I'll tell you how much I paid for all this stuff. You'll be surprised, and maybe give you guys some ideas of what's going on. And yeah, let's get to the shop. Bye.